Aloha everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dexter in Hawaii on the Stryker sr-955. Dexter, I got it ready to go for you, bud. Now you wanted this right here to work out great with your straight forward, so we've done just that. You want to start with your RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. That's 4.5 watts, and that'll get you exactly a 50-watt carrier out of your straight forward. 100-watt slug, roll the carrier all the way up. That's 18 watts all the way up. Now if you want to run just the radio, you can. I'm going to go ahead and show you average power. Hello. 45 bird average. Let's go to peak power. Hello. Hello. And 82 peak. Alrighty, my friend, it's ready to go. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Aloha.